Hey everybody, Robb here for Southwest Florida Television. Wow, another foggy morning here in North Naples, Florida. New Year's Eve morning. Very quiet, except for the sounds of the tractor raking the beach over on the other side of the pass. It's about 67, 68 degrees. Gonna get up to 77 today. The tide just starting to come in here. The water temperature 71 degrees. With this low tide, there's lots and lots of extra sandy beach to walk on. You can actually walk out quite far. There's not as many birds out on the little Sandbar Island this morning. Here's a look at what I saw just a few minutes earlier. They might be resting up for their New Year's Eve party this evening. Isn't that beautiful though? I wish you were out here with me. Hit that share button. Really don't see much in the way of sunshine yet. I've seen maybe a handful of folks up here this morning. One fisherman. I love it out here. I love my passes. Clam Pass, Wiggins Pass. A great place to come say goodbye to 2024. So looking forward to 2025. Over here to my right, covered in fog, is Clam Pass Beach Park. That opens at 8 o'clock. As I pan out into the Gulf, look at that. Look at all that fog. They're saying this was maybe one of the foggiest mornings we've had in a long, long time in Southwest Florida. I do have to admit, it is a lot of fog. I went to Vanderbilt Beach yesterday evening for sunset. It was beautiful when I left the house, and look at this, by the time I got to the beach, look at all the fog. It was packed and foggy. Lots of folks on vacation though. Fog isn't going to stop them from visiting the beach. I did see a little color though. You could see the sun peeking, trying to burn through the fog there, that orange glow. Now it's gonna be foggy here for another couple of hours probably. At least that's what they're predicting. We'll see if their predictions hold true. There is so much sandbar exposed here. It just keeps on going out further and further and further. I could almost walk out to Texas. Walk right across the Gulf to Texas. You can actually walk out to one of those little sandbars where the birds hang out, but you don't want to do that. Please, please, please keep your distance from those birds if you're fortunate enough to come out at a low tide like this and see them. I'll give you one last look at those birds before I call it a morning. Wow, what a great way to end the year, huh? Beautiful. I love watching all these birds. I love our pelicans. They are so cool. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for allowing me into your lives this year. Thanks for allowing me onto your screens. I don't know why you do it, but I sure do appreciate it. Be sure to tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Hey, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country, the place that I so proudly call my home. God bless America. Keep her in your prayers. Tally-ho, tally-ho.